Groundwater surveyors play a crucial role in understanding the availability and quality of groundwater resources in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon. With increasing urbanization and industrialization, the demand for groundwater has also been on the rise. As a result, it becomes essential to have a comprehensive understanding of the groundwater situation to ensure sustainable management and utilization of this vital resource. Udyog Vihar, located in Gurgaon, is a prominent industrial area with numerous commercial establishments. As industries rely heavily on groundwater for their operations, it becomes imperative to monitor and assess the groundwater levels and quality regularly. They utilize various techniques and equipment to conduct surveys and gather data related to groundwater resources in Udyog Vihar. The surveyors employ advanced technologies such as ground-penetrating radar, electromagnetic induction, and electrical resistivity imaging to map the subsurface geology and identify potential areas for groundwater extraction. By analyzing the collected data, they can determine the depth of the water table, assess its recharge potential, and identify any potential contaminants that may pose a threat to the groundwater quality. The information gathered by the groundwater surveyors is invaluable for urban planners, government agencies, and industries operating in Udyog Vihar. It helps in formulating effective groundwater management strategies, such as implementing rainwater harvesting systems, regulating water extraction, and promoting water conservation practices. This proactive approach can contribute to the long-term sustainability of groundwater resources in Udyog Vihar and ensure their availability for future generations. In addition to groundwater mapping and assessment, groundwater surveyors also play a crucial role in designing sustainable infrastructure for water supply and management. In order to understand the quantity and quality of groundwater resources in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, groundwater surveyors are essential. The need for groundwater has increased along with rising urbanization and industry. Therefore, in order to maintain the sustainable management and usage of this key resource, it is crucial to have a thorough awareness of the groundwater status. Gurgaon's Udyog Vihar is a well-known industrial district with a large number of businesses. Groundwater needs to be continuously monitored and evaluated because so many companies rely significantly on it for their operations. Here is where groundwater surveyors' knowledge is useful. To conduct surveys and collect information regarding the groundwater resources in Udyog Vihar, they make use of a variety of tools and procedures. The surveyors use cutting-edge technology to map the subsurface geology and find prospective locations for groundwater extraction, such as ground-penetrating radar, electromagnetic induction, and electrical resistivity imaging. The depth of the water table, the possibility for recharge, and any potential contaminants that can endanger the quality of the groundwater can all be ascertained by examining the data gathered. The data acquired by the groundwater surveyors is crucial for Udyog Vihar's companies.